Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's wildlife feature. In this video, we're spotlighting the elegant American White Ibis, a bird that graces the wetlands and grassy areas of Florida with its striking appearance and unique feeding habits. The American White Ibis is renowned for its pristine white plumage, long, slender legs, and distinctive curved red bills. Its vibrant red bill is not just for the show, it's perfectly adapted for foraging in shallow waters and muddy areas. You might also see these beautiful birds in grassy areas where they use their bill to search for food. Despite these preferences for aquatic prey, this ibis is an adapted forager and can adapt its feeding strategy based on its surroundings. The American White Ibis is a true symbol of diverse wildlife found in Florida. So if you want to see these birds, you need to visit Florida and you can spot it anywhere in the grass or sea beach in Florida. See you in next video.